assassin from our homeland, or a fool who trespasses upon the waters of Chingsa. Coveting the shapes of the living, pure water can take on many forms. In this way, shall water deliver your punishment. The power of water is its ability to take any shape.
La la la, yeah.
Without solid ground, terrestrial creatures become simply helpless. The power of water is its ability to take any shape.
Think you can bully me? Look at you, food! La la la!
One who is ignorant of water's treasures fails also to comprehend its horrors. Let's see what happens when you lose your foothold. The power of water is its ability to take any shape.
Let's go! Diona special! Jumpy Jumpy go! Boing boing boom! Blazing delight! Woo! Hi-ya! Yeah! Woo!
As long as rain falls and rivers flow, water will exist forever.
Dodoco? Dodoco, where are you? Dodoco? Dodoco, where